Today's ruling also leading to a lot of questions about what it means for Arkansas's abortion laws.
5 News reporter Kayla Davis has been following the story today. She joins us to break down the impact it's expected to have. Hey, Kayla.
That's right, you guys. Both groups confirmed that the Supreme Court ruling does not affect the Arkansas abortion ban. However, it does raise questions for how things might change should Arkansas for Limited Government succeed in getting their abortion amendment on the November 2024 ballot. Today's ruling allowing Idaho State Supreme Court to make final decisions on emergency abortion procedures does not change current abortion laws in the state. Right now, Arkansas for Limited Government is working to approve an amendment that will loosen abortion restrictions on the November ballot. Family Council Action Committee Representative Jerry Cox thinks that amendment would have a major impact on Arkansas women.
It does away with parental consent. It does away with informed consent, where women aren't going to be told all the risk and alternatives to abortion. And it doesn't elaborate on who's going to be allowed to do the abortions. But one thing for sure, that you don't have to be a doctor to do an abortion if this measure passes.
We took a look at the amendment and it reads, quote, abortion services assisted by a physician may be provided in a hospital, emergency department, physician's office or clinic, surgery center, freestanding birthing center, or other licensed healthcare facility. We also asked members of AFLG if the amendment talks about parental or informed consent.
The amendment does not address parental consent at all, which means that existing regulations about parental consent would stand.
There's not a word in the amendment about informed consent being less important or less rigorous than one would expect in the first place. It's just not there.
AFLG says they're over 3/4 of the way towards reaching the required 91,000 signatures by that July 5th deadline. And the Family Council Action Committee urges people not to sign the petition and says they'll prepare to run a statewide campaign if the amendment is passed in November. You can find a link to the amendment on our website, 5newsonline.com. Kayla Davis, 5 News.